Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. La 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 dun, dun, dun. Jabón negro así, parece Coca-Cola. Parece Coca-Cola.
Alright, jump window coming up. You've got unknown shooters inbound, so consider everyone down there a threat. Stay alert for updates.
Go, go, go!
You are clear to jump. Go at your discretion.
Hello, Zakora. What up, teammate? Let's go there. Wow, the game has changed, huh? Looks different than before. Why did he leave me? We are better solo.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
What up, man? Goodbye. Zeko, where are you?
Have a look and knock out what you can.
Zeko, where are you?
And that resupply will be all yours. Make good use of it.
I'm sure they are camping, man. Where are you, kiddos?
Good find. Now put those cutters to work.
Got no ammo. How come there is no loot, man? Someone looted these houses.
Marking location for support drop.
Copy. Stand by.
Man, I'm sure there was multiple people, man.
Good. You found the weapons cache. Now load up. You earned it.
Okay, now we need ammo. Just need ammo. No, no, no. Take it, take it, take it. Come here. No. It was number 4. Oh, wait, wait. What is that?
Enemy contact in my AO. I got the enemy inside.
Man, what is that? Oh my god, almost died. Holy shit, I'm so scared.
Locator beacons are marked. Now the more your team grabs, the quicker they calibrate.
Please give me ammo, man. Find ammo. Where do I find sniper ammo? Sniper ammo. Give me ammo.
Hey, burn line incoming. Clear out while you can.
This is so weird. How come there's nobody here, man? This is so weird. Normally there are always people here,
You on mission
but
complete.
not this time.
Hard out there.
So there's nothing, man. So crazy. Where's teammate? Oh, here. Run away!
Your current position is going to be overrun by NXT. Don't linger.
I got scanned.
That is a solid job. Way to go.
Request immediate support here.
Supply drop on the way.
I need ammo, man.
Got a new mission ready.
I mean, this lobby feels so weird. Where are the enemies? Are they far away? Yeah.
Found an open big.
Not this time. Goodbye.
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Stop it!
Got a hostile big nearby. Wreck it or ride it, I don't care, as long as we've got control.
Contact. Enemy tank.
No more do-overs. This is for keeps.
He's going right? Yeah. You better run. I'm coming to kill you, man. Oh no. He's very close. Gotcha. Oh. What was that?
Outstanding work. Regroup and stand by.
Ooh, airdrop. I'll take that.
We've got some mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Close over to that location.
Come here.
Move to that location. Redeploy points over there.
Come, come, come. No way you're gonna bring your friend here. Nah, 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 nah. Let no one alive. We live, nobody alive. Ha 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 ha.
That is a good find on those classified materials. Way to step it up.
Go, go, go!
I'm here!
Come here! Wake up!
Let's go!
Man, why I was reloading?
Heads up. Your grid's about to be compromised by NXC.
I didn't mean to reload, but my weapon was reloading. And I had to cancel it by punching like this. Almost died, man. Holy shit. What a mistake.
Got a dangerous spot here. Reloading! That area looks bad to me. Sniper contact! Hostile machine gun!
La 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 la. Let's get him. He's solo. He's solo.
There's a gadget at this location.
Missions are done, but stay alert till we're out of here.
Repair station is good to go.
Let's rotate. Oh, what? Lay down. No shit.
Knew you had my back.
Stop it, bitches! Are they close? Far?
Now, make every shot count.
Oh, he's not dead! No, no, no. Hope you die. Hope you die.
You're out. Better luck next time.
Wow, he didn't die. Unbelievable, man. He's not dead. And he's dead. Idiot. Wow, those guys were so bad, huh? They missed all the shots. Le 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 le. Le 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 le. Le 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 le. Le 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 le. Le 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 le. Le 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 le. Ba-dum 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 bum. School Town. What up, buddy?
What's up?
What's up? Are you from School Town?
No.
Are you from Kings Canyon? Have you played Apex Legends? Then you gotta know where is the School Town. Giderim ben burada bu akşam, ben burada bu akşam.
Alright, approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunt.
All right, where we going? Where should we go to win the game?
You are greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty. Found something at this location!
Oh, what do we have here? Wow, this is my first time here, man. What is this?
Hostile, go. No, down.
I'll die. Right, close my parachute. Damn, what is that? Oh, now I understand. There are good stuff here. Wait. What the heck just happened? What? Man, what's going on? What's wrong with this game? I have no idea what just happened. It never have happened before. That's weird. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I have no idea. Welcome to Battlefield. Man, this game sucks. Why don't you put me in the same match again? Oh my god. Year 2026. Every battle royale has reconnection, but this game doesn't have. And it consistently crashes. Brilliant. Hello, is there someone else? Am I solo? Am I the only one here? Where are the teammates? Crudos! Español? His controller, I think he won't be able to speak. Le, 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 le. Hopefully my game won't crash again. Crudos. I think this guy is Spanish, man. Not sure.
You have unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump. You are greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Let's go there, man. Come with me. Where did you go? I'm gonna kill you. Never mind, you died already.
Disperse and deploy!
Heads up. Mission updates just came in. Help is on the way.
Welcome
Stand
back.
by.
He's gonna die again.
Area mark. Need supplies ASAP.
I know, man.
Yeah, you got it. On the way. Watch your back. Enemy has your mark stat. Copy request for support. Stand by.
Krudos, I'm gonna kill you now. Going to kill you now. Motherfucker left the game.
Heads up. Reinforcements coming in hot.
Worst experience ever. I swear. Worst experience ever.
New mission is up. Marked on your map.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Let's kill this guy. Where have you gone? Tara, pion al parque, vamos.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
One is sniping. Where's the other guy?
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Where's the other guy? Give it to me. I'm not sure if this guy is solo or with a squad mate.
For you. Details on your map.
Oh my god.
That keeps coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
Bound over to that location.
It's far away. But let's see if we can make it.
Check your missions. That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Oh, give me body shields.
Nice work. Looks like you found some solid intel.
Where are these snipers? I want you, I want you, I want you. Give it to me.
Hey, that's a big win with that intel. Keep it up. New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Area marked.
Hey, Fern. On the way.
I don't like the look of this.
Let's go.
Hostile machine gun in sight. Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Okay, there are two guys.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
All right, new mission is up. Marked on your map.
Come here.
Hostile dropping near your location.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Nice shot, buddy.
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
I'm going.
Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
Stop it.
Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Stupid guys, let me alone.
You're out. Better luck next time.
All right, let's go. Let's try again. Man, the teammates are terrible. Are. Mm-hmm.